Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing our hair, of course, and our hair still isn't braided down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a low ponytail. And today's video is sponsored by UNice. So I'm just showing you everything that comes in the package. Absolutely love the pink. So this is the wig, and this is actually one of the new air wigs. This is a 4x4 150% density wig. I have the body wave texture, so I showed you guys what the wig looked like straight out of the package. This is what it looks like after I've bleached the knots. It already comes pre-plucked and pre-cut, so you do not have to cut any lace off of this unit. All I did was added a little bit of my foundation. I look a mess. All I did was added a little bit of my foundation powder to the lace so it could blend in with my skin, and as you can see, it looks amazing. This air wig is just supposed to make it breathable for you. So I know a lot of the times when I'm wearing these wigs and my scalp itches, it's really nothing you can do. But with the air wigs, you can actually touch your scalp, and the construction of these remind me of like the old school half wigs, but this is just in lace front form. So all I'm doing now is pulling out some edge hair, which I totally feel like I should have scooted the hair over a little bit to the right. My right, not your right. But nonetheless, we're just gonna make it do what it do. And for hairspray, I'm using the John Frieda Frizz-Ease hairspray. This is like a medium hold hairspray, so it's not as strong as Gots to be, which I love, and it also doesn't turn your hair white, as white. It can't leave a cast if you use too much and you touched it. But yeah, when you just spray it and put the little elastic band on and like dry with a blow dryer, you're good to go. And that's all I did. And I'm just going in with the same powder foundation to just lighten up the part because I don't have on like a wig cap or anything underneath. And here's where the hair falls on me. This is the natural texture of the hair. So since the waves are a lot more defined at the bottom, I'm just sectioning the top half of the hair off, and I'm going to use a jumbo waver and just wave like the top half of the hair so it kind of all blends in, because I didn't want to straighten the hair and I didn't want to curl it. So yeah. this is what it looks like. Really cute, really easy, effortless, and you don't really have to do too much. And the deep waver that I'm using is from Bondi Boost. If I could find a link for it, I'll link it down below. But if you want to get your hair waved really quickly, the bigger the better, honestly. And that's it. We're all done. This is what the hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to link UNice's information in the description box, as well as all the information on the unit that I'm wearing. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.